Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aditi. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing my channel. Also, while subscribing, don't forget to press that small little bell right next to the subscribe button to get all timely updates of my new videos. Before starting today's video, I want to thank all of you as we are a family of 5,000 now and it means a lot to me. It has given a lot of happiness and motivation for creating more videos. So yes, thanks again from the bottom of my heart. On this occasion, I decided to give a gift to myself and hence I bought ring light and tripod to enhance video quality. In today's video, I am going to share all the details and also will demo the product for you guys so that if you are a beginner or if you are planning to open your YouTube channel, it can be helpful. Without any further ado, let's just get started with the video. Let's start with the product details. I bought it as a combo of ring light and tripod from Amazon by the company named Generic. Honestly speaking, I was not aware about any good brands in this particular product, so I ordered randomly, but it turned out to be great for me. It is an 18-inch LED ring light with 7 feet tripod stand. I'm going to show you the product in next few minutes. Talking about the price, I bought it for $16.99, but when I checked its price today, it was $14.99, which is a great deal. Also, it might get cheaper due to an upcoming sale on Amazon, so keep an eye on it if you're really interested in the product. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. So this is the package that I received. L-shaped cardboard box containing a ring light as well as tripod. So yeah, packaging was pretty decent. Inside that cardboard package, there was this ring light box with its attachment. While the tripod was packed directly this way with its legs folded. I have unfolded it and this is how it looked. So after setting up the tripod, you can adjust its height using these 3 screws. So I'll show you one by one. This is the first level which you can pull upwards and tighten it using the screw given over here. Second, you can pull this silver portion upwards and tighten it using the screw which is given over here. And using the third screw which is right over here, you can adjust the height as well as legs of the tripod. So I'll loosen it first and so this way, using all these 3 levels, the tripod can stand up to 7 feet height. Along with this tripod, we also get this phone holder. So if you just want to use a tripod without ring light, you can fit this on the top of it and it is good to go. Now you can pull this, adjust your height and you can shoot your video or click your photo. So this is the USB ring light that we get along with the tripod, and this is its control unit using which you can control its brightness and change its color. You can fit this directly on the tripod or you can also use this movable attachment for that if you want to control the orientation of this ring light. So I have attached this ring light on the movable attachment, and using the screw which is given on this attachment, you can change the direction of this ring light. So I'll loose it and this is how you can decide your direction and then fit using the same screw. Next, I'll show you the 3 colors which are provided in this along with the brightness. So yeah, let me connect the USB first. So I'll first turn on the ring light using the power button on the control unit. So this is the first light which is white. You can change the light. This is the next color and this is the third color. So there are 3 colors provided: first, second and third. This is the light with most brightness. You can adjust it and change it as per your requirement. So I'm reducing the brightness right now and this is the least brightness. This attachment comes with the ring light using which you can decide orientation of the phone. So you can fit right over here I have attached, and you can adjust it as per your required frame. This is the phone holder, so let me fit my phone. So I have fit my phone, and this is how you can adjust. Also, you can change the direction of your phone as per your requirement. So yeah, this is how entire setup looks like, and I'm really very excited to use this going forward. That's all for today's video, guys. If you liked this video, please click on the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.